I'm Natasha from Craft Salon. Today I'm going to be working off of another tutorial that was done using the Double Halo extension from ABHAIR. It's going to be a really sweet homecoming look on the lovely Morgan. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the Double Halo extension from ABHAIR. As you can see that it was curled in a previously done tutorial. Just like a recap of it, it is 22 inches long. It's 220 grams. The hair is super great quality. It's very luxurious. I think that it matches Morgan really, really well. The halo piece is actually very flexible. Do you feel like it's heavy on your head at all?
Not at all.
So
I don't even feel it.
Perfect. So today we're going to be doing a small updo. It'd be really, really easy to do at home to recreate this look. So right now, all I'm just kind of doing is pulling the hair back. Perfect. So I'm going to start by sectioning out the top. So you see the section that I've done? Awesome, perfect, teamwork. I'm gonna start off on this side with a little bit of hairspray. And this is just gonna be a really nice undone braid. I feel like this is a really trendy look that's happening right now, especially when you have a hair extension in like this. You're just gonna make it look thicker, fuller. You're gonna have more length when you braid it, so it's gonna give you that really nice bohemian look. As you can see, pretty much gliding through with the hair extension, and you can see that it's starting to gain a lot of weight and messiness in here. Then at the top, we're going to do a little bit of a pompadour for this look. So we're going to spray this with some hairspray. Have a little back combing action. I'm just gonna do like a light twist.